Mo.
Sungayan lang ko.
Nabuti ka dito. Gisungayan ka?
Kanang di. Dapat na malis. Kanang kan ba? Niagdang na no. Adan na no. Anak na no. Kanang mo na gislide no. Agdan na no. Ilang kuwan. Ato sila naagi pa doon sa petiyon. Ayun nila. Ato sa petiyon kayo no.
Ang hilak mo na.
Si Dundun, sa bata pa si Dundun. Sa kami pa si Dundun, bahala. At sa diyotin, no, at sa silang tulong.
Ang hilak lagi ka.
Kanya, kinsa may nagsumog ni mo dito dapat lang kuhan.
Pare,
Oh.
si Kuhan ka na si anak ni Kuhan. Anak kuya ni Kuhan. Kita na mama, akan mula ma.
Pit. Yung mama Pit.
Oh, Pete.
Kila di ka?
Mula niyo.
Unya, ginsa man ka?
Mukuya, datos din niyo.
Unya.
Niyo.
Oh. Wala
Saan
si.
ko no niya si Karte ko no. Yung data to kumigo na itong nagagdirin. Ate, tatlo na. Ate, tatlo. Yung inimasality na. Ate, tatlo. Nakakita mo itong ninyo, tino.
Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Ako po si Martin Rivera, greeting you on this very, very special day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Sana nag-enjoy ka ngayon and I hope you get all the blessings that you have been asking for. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
And happy birthday to you, and I hope you have an all awesome time over there, wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Greetings! Greetings from Manila.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ate Aubrey. I know that you love me and you hung at me and you take of me in the house and you play with me. Thank you. Happy birthday for you. Happy birthday, Ate Aubrey. I love you so much. Thank you. Happy birthday, Tata Aubrey. I love you. Happy birthday, Ate Aubrey. I hope you have the best birthday ever. Happy birthday, Ate Aubrey.
I love you.
I love you. More. Happy birthday, Ate Aubrey. Mwah.
Birthday, Ate Aubrey. Akong wish ni mo, te. May tag-healthy ka per me. I love you, te. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Aubrey.
Happy birthday, Ate Aubrey.
Hi, Ping. Happy birthday. Happy legality. Sorry for the very haggard face, no, but my message for you is that we may be separated by distance, but always remember that you will always be my childhood best friend. You will always be close to my heart, and I am wishing you your genuine happiness and your heart's desires. You deserve all the things that you have right now, and those things that are yet to come, and those things that is still making its way to you. I am always rooting for you, and I am always proud of every achievements you make. I may miss to say congratulations, but I am always happy to see you achieve things. See you when I see you, and I miss you always. Take care always, and regards, Tanan Sanadera. I love you.
Hi, Bing. Na-surprise ba ka? Char. Happy birthday, Bing. Happy legality. Happy Ataka Dinaway. And I mean, this is it. This is your time to shine, Char. bitaw. I just want to say thank you first. Thank you for being a good friend of mine. Thank you for being my chika buddy. Like, you know what I mean? We used to have a lot of chika every day. And just thank you for existing, because you might not know, but you bring sunshine to my life. Just, you know, by being a kalug type of friend. And thank you for always being there for me when I needed someone the most. And as you enter this new chapter of your life, I hope you enjoy. Just really enjoy the ride of being almost being an adult. And yeah, know your limits. We all have these limitations, you know what I mean? And being on legal age doesn't only mean you can now do the things you want to do freely, but it also comes with big responsibilities and problems. So when you feel like everything is dark, don't lose hope, for we know our mantra always: everything happens for a reason. Just trust the process and trust Him. Maura jud ako maingon, and like I hope I'm happy ka sa mong birthday, and happy ka everyday. Dili lang jud sa mong birthday na dapat happy jud ka everyday. And I hope you don't regret a thing in your life. And I really miss talking to you, like really. And once again, happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Yours truly, Sush.
And thank you for giving us some advices and more chicas and laughters to come. And stay strong, Monica Yoto. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, Tio Bri. Kaya ako masulti ni mo kay continue lang sa imong mga goals o unsay mga ganahan mo sa future niya. Stay strong mo ni kayo to niya. Kanang Happy birthday. Mwah.
Happy birthday to bring more birthdays to come niya. Stay strong mo ni papayot. Huy! Papa!
Happy birthday, te. I miss you. Giving ako ato tagay-tagay. Char. Daw. Ay sa pag-sad sa dihati. Enjoy mong adlaw. God bless, ma.
Happy birthday, Bing Bing! Happy birthday! Hope nga mag-enjoy kasi mo ang dibu.
Wow!
This song is for you from Japan. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. This is you. Happy birthday, Aubrey!
Happy birthday, Aubrey!
Happy birthday, Dai! Happy 18th. That means you're already legal, but in hope so, Dai. But yeah, continue chasing your dreams, and we wish you all the best sa studies, sa imong career, course, and yeah, always be happy.
Okay, happy birthday, Aubrey. Hopefully, di magdaghaguyab. Focus on your studies and focus on the goal, no? For a better future. And we're just here if you need any advices. Pero basta uyab, di sa uyab. Bitaw, enjoy life, no? Be smart. Hopefully, bless mo o sa imong family. And hope you enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Aubrey. God bless! Happy birthday!
Hi, Day! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best in life. And if na kayo mga problems, nara ko always ngayong daganan. Wala ka na yun sa nakabalo ka na.
Stay safe always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Aubrey. Happy Meow Day, Aubrey. From Yung Yung. Ma.
Hi, Ate Aubrey. Happy birthday and God bless to your journey in life. From your kuya, ano.
Happy 18th birthday, Day Aubrey. Thank you kaayo sa paglabang care ni mo nilang Jassy. Ikan pa sa una. Just enjoy your day. And God bless you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Ate Aubrey.
Happy birthday, Aubrey. Happy birthday, Aubrey.
Happy birthday sa iyo, Aubrey May Lozano Pasikaran. Ang wish ko sa iyo, Bing, healthy ka palagi at maganda ka always. Love ka namin lahat. Happy birthday.
Hi Bing, happy 18th birthday. Stay good health and stay pretty ah. Love you.
Hi, Day. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come and more dicks to blow. Charot lang. Kuan bitaw ka ng amping, permi, and God bless.
Hi, Aubrey. Birthday din yun. Isa tiga sa Mogo na. Kaya mo birthday. Happy 18th birthday day, Ilong. Ilong. Hi, Aubrey May day. Happy 18th birthday, Aubrey. Ang wish na ko na mo kay saragin na sa imong eskwela para yung mani mo malaki problema wala ang ting karne.
Hello happy birthday. Dibo naman ni mo. Dili oras pa sa una magsige pa mo tag bugno diri sa compound. Maghilak ang adlaw kung way maghilak na ton duha. Karon daga na kay kaday. Happy birthday, artistaho na mo.
Hi Bing, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. And you're at your legal age. Eskwela tarong. Kung man sa eskwela nga. Rampa na dayon ta. See you later.
Hello, good morning, Day.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Aubrey.
To you.
Adwin. Happy birthday. Aubrey, doon ang nice lang, Wing.
Day, happy birthday. Yeah. Dayon lang yun. Yeah. Salud.
Salud ka.
Oh, salud ko sa mga pagbuhat ron niya. Basta, padayon lang yun. Kung sa mga planos sa kinabuhi.
Yeah, good girl. Do what is good. And always be happy. Make your mama happy and your sister, yung mga igso. Bantayan mo mga pag-umangkon. Happy birthday. Oh, God bless.
Day, happy
Good luck
birthday.
sa imong new chapter of life. Dahil study ka na. Study maayo. Umana ang pag-eskwela para ni Ate Dimple sa imong mga ate. Bye.
Bye. Happy
Love you.
birthday.
Go. Video, uy! Greet mo!
Hi, Bing! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Beng!
Aubrey, happy birthday! I hope.
Hope.
I hope unsa.
I hope.
I hope.
I hope. I hope. I hope. I hope. I hope.
Wait!
Gito yun ba? Greet. Uy, unsay mo masturya?
Kanang bilang tarong day. Ayaw sa pagminyo ha. Naguyab na diya.
Yes. Ako pa ko'y uyab. Ikaw na kayo uyab. Oh my God. Happy birthday, Aubrey.
Momo, chup chup.
Happy 18th birthday, Brady. Magkinatake. Madakpan na ka. Amping permi.
Hi, Day. Aubrey, Day. Happy 18th birthday, Day. May magdugay pa kas kalibutan.
Happy birthday sa B-Cube! Ay sis, legal na kaday pero dugay na makamatured. So, keep it up. Padayon lang. I know na daghan kay kag maabot sa imong life. I'm rooting for you.
Happy birthday, Ate Ubing! And more birthdays to come, and I hope, Ate Ubing, magtarong ka sa school nimo, and then makakita ka ug nindot nga trabaho. Happy birthday, Ate Ubing! Happy birthday!
Hi, Zizi! Hi! Happy 18th birthday, Ate Aubrey!
We love you!
Bye-bye!
Happy 18th birthday, Aubrey May! Hope your birthday is filled with love, laughter, and all your favorite things. Wishing a fantastic birthday to my favorite cousin. May this year bring you endless joy and unforgettable memories. Happy birthday again, Bobing. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tata Bing! Say birthday. Say birthday, Tata.
Happy birthday, Aubrey!
Hi, Bree. Happy birthday. And excuse the face kay wala pa jud kay tulog. And akong wish nimo is long life, more birthdays to come, and more lives to come, and more memories to make. And that's all. Happy birthday, Bree. Love you.
Cheers to turning 18. I hope this upcoming years are full with amazing experiences, developments, and achievements. Once again, happiest legality to you, Aubrey.
Hi, Aubrey! Happy birthday! So, laoy, dalaga na kay ka, Aubrey. Oh my God! It's been a while. So, it's been a while. Murag laoy, bata pang kay ka sa una, oy. Muhilak po man ka o muskwila, aun sa ba? Karon kay, oh my God, beauty and brain. I'm so happy. I hope that nga you will continue your studies. I hope nga mahuman jud ka og kurso. Kay I know grabe jud ka bright. I know you're wise enough. Bright ka in all things. And not just bright, not just brain, not just smart, but also beautiful. So I do hope that you will continue your dreams. Always remember, nga lahi dyan sa Philippines. Sa Philippines, if makahuman ka, nindot kag trabaho. Well, I'm not saying dili nindot kag trabaho ang uban. I know that we have different kinds of work field man dyan. But then lahi ra gyud kay bawo gyud ka ana. And I know a lot of you there nga nananaw sa stream, especially to my family, Pasikar and Tunyako family. Hello! I know nga, you know that one, that it's really different jud if ang inyong anak makahuman, kamo mismo makahuman, it's really different good. So I do hope, madyan akong number one wish ni mo, Aubrey, for how many years since you were elementary nga magsige jud kag ingon nga ganahan ka nga makahuman pug eskwela pareha namo. I know nga makabot gid na nimo. And you are going there. You're already grade 12. In-graduate nimo, you will be college 4 years na lang. So dili lang sa jud unahon ang paghimo og pamilya. Later na lang na kay mosunod ra gyud na siya. And I do hope nga magkita ta here in Finland. Charis! So ta kay body ay maka-work ka diri. O di ba? Wa jud ta kay bawo gyud sa panahon. Well, anta kay bawo that you can maka-study ka diri sa Europe o maka-work ka diri sa Europe, di ba? So, again and again, happy birthday! Love you, Mama Chup Chup. By the way, regards ko, Pasikaran na Tunyaka family, I missed you.
Happy birthday, Ate Aubrey. I wish you many happy birthdays to come, and take care of yourself because health is wealth. Bye.
Happy birthday pa lang. I wasn't be able to go there. Kahit good is life. But rest assured that you were always in my prayers, our whole family, and I hope that you will be able to reach your dreams. Tapos, you have to think of what future lies ahead. Tapos, make time to your family because Mama Joanna is not growing any younger. So, you have to make memories with your mama. Right, Nak?
Yes.
Because life is too short. We don't know what tomorrow brings. So, amping always. And I love you. You know that one. From the very start. You're always in my heart. You're always in my prayers. Even though I have my own family. You will always be my number one palangga. What about you, my beloved?
Birthday Bing! Amping pirmi!
Happy birthday! We love you!
Happy birthday!
Bye-bye! See you around!
Time's up ha. Ano mag-cry man na ang Disney princess? Birthday wala niya karon. Wow, mana siya og nina umiya. Di ka pwede sa kuan, bibibi, mag-cry ka. Bida. Hi, my favorite sister. Happy birthday, and I wish nga di na ka magpundak-pundak ng sugoon kay 18 na ka, no? Di na magsikriklam char. So kana I wish you joy para mahugas sa kagplato char. Happy birthday, Day, and study hard and always remember, remember niyo. We love you and enjoy your day.
Happy 18th birthday, my forever friend ni dili la sa ta mag-MMKK na maglak-hilak ng sa taon niya. Madaot ato mga beauty na dili pwede. Char kanang bitaw ti kanang I love you and ulam ko mulay masulti. Pero kuan, amping always and focus lang sa kuan sa studies and kanang stay strong mong kuya Yoto and muna to.
Hi Aubrey, happy birthday day. Kana pagtaro sa mga pag-eskwela, human gid day. Sa Aubrey ta maningkamot sa kuday para nimo na ako mo supporter nimo. Ay mo pag sa pag-uya pati ka dig-i pero ay kita pasali pag-eskwela day. Kung mura ginay ako ikakuan nimo day. Ako'y ikahatag nga kuan pagpaedukar gid nimo. Kamot sa ko nga makakuan ka, makaman ka, makasuporta sa ko nimo. Bisag maldita kay ko, maldita ka, pero para ra gid nimo day. Happy birthday, I love you.
Happy birthday, Day. More birthdays to come. Nya tarungon na imong pag-eskwela kay naara ko mosuporta nimo. Ug sa imong panglawas naot maayo unta.
Hi lang. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Keep doing what you're doing and